About the influence of Kala, in another Yoga Sutra, Patanjali states that Sapurvesham api guruhu Kalan avachchedat. Kala anavachchedat. He says, Sapurvesham api guruhu. Even though the Ishvara, the Supreme Person, is existing eternally, still Kalan avachchedat. He is unaffected by Kala. Kala cannot influence him. Kala cannot degrade him. He remains as he is. He maintains his position as a supreme controller without any diminution or any change in his position. Unlike our position, we keep changing so many positions in this material world. We are born as individuals, then we as small babies, then we grow up, get educated, and then we take a job or have our own startup. And when we start off, we are in a very small position. We don't have many employees working for us. Then gradually we may build up our business or we may progress in our career. And then when we are 35, 40, 45 years, we have either reached a good position, an MD or a CEO of a company, or you have become the owner of a very big company. Your startup has grown, it has expanded into a very big, huge multi-million-dollar organization. Then you are able to control so many people. You take the example of the founder of Apple. The founder of Apple who was he? Steve Jobs. He was one of the founders. When Steve Jobs was still going to college, in his own words, many days he would be very hungry. He would not have money to eat. And he would go to the nearby Hare Krishna temple on Sundays, where there would be a feast which will be served. And he used to eat that. And he survived because of that. And then gradually he came out of college. He started this Apple company, I think with another friend of his or somebody like that. And then the company grew into a very huge conglomerate. It became a very big corporation. And then after some time, what happened? Naturally, if a company has to grow, you have to float shares and you have to invite shareholders. And when this company, Apple company, grew very big, there were many shareholders. They all came together and they were very unhappy with Steve Jobs, and they said, let us kick him out. And they threw him out of the company. The very company the very person who founded the company, they threw him out. And he was out of job all of a sudden. But after some time, the company was floundering. They were not able to progress the way they were doing under Steve Jobs. So they brought him back. And after he came, he created a big revolution by bringing in the iPhone and the iPad and all that. And then his stature in the company naturally grew. And then finally one day he announced to the company that he has got terminal cancer. And then a few days after that, he was no more. You can see how Steve Jobs' graph has gone. He was at a very low level, started from practically nothing, built an organization into a very big level, thrown out, again graph went down. Again he was taken back into the company and scaled bigger heights, and then got cancer and died. Finished, over. Like this we can see in our lives, with time, our position keeps changing. Our possessions are taken away from us. But the Supreme Lord is not like that. His position, Sapurvesham api guruhu. He always maintains his position. Kalan avachchedat. He is never touched by the force of Kala, by the force of time. Unlike us, our position keeps changing with time. The graph keeps going up and down like a sine wave. If you are lucky, like a sine wave, it will again come up. Otherwise, once it goes down, it will go down only. But for the Lord, there is no sine wave. He is always situated at His level as the Supreme Personality of Godhead.